Hi viewers, welcome back to AVP Properties Hyderabad YouTube channel. You are watching ultra luxury gated community 4 BHK villa G plus 2 floors at Mamidipally near to Shamshabad International Airport. This is model villa 550 square yards east facing villa. Watch video till the end. You'll understand the floor plan of the villa and spaces of the bedrooms, hall, kitchen, utility and setbacks. Now I am showing setbacks of the villa. This is back side of the villa. You have maid room and maid toilet separate at back side. This is the maid room, maid toilet. If you are looking for BHK villa near to Shamshabad Airport, please call on display number for more details to schedule your site visit. Now I am introducing Vaishnai Southwoods Villas. This is the entrance of villa. They are given 20 feet height main door. This is the first time in Hyderabad I am seeing 20 feet height main door. Drawing area, living with TV point and dining, lift, powder room, ground floor plan you are watching, dining. You have dry kitchen, wet kitchen, storage. This is your wet kitchen. This is parents' bedroom. Huge space in the bedrooms I am observed, and very good ventilation, very big windows. You have two windows for parents' bedroom, dressing area, and washroom. Washrooms also comfortable size you have. This project spread across 43.5 acres, 261 villas, 4 and 5 BHK villas, starting size 300 square yards to 550 square yards villas you have, 40,000 square feet clubhouse. If you are observing floor to ceiling height 11 feet, you are watching master bedroom with attached washroom and dressing area. And also 20 feet tall entrance, 80 feet wide entrance road, 300 square yards, 350 square yards, 477 square yards, 500 square yards, 550 square yards plot sizes. Build up area 300 square yards, 4,259 square feet for east facing villa, west facing 4,033 square feet, 350 square yards east facing villa build up area 5,077 square feet, west facing 5,124 square feet. 477 square yards villa, east facing 6,779 square feet, west facing 6,600 square feet. 500 square feet villa, 6,815 square feet villa, west facing villa 6,909 square feet. 550 square yards villa, east facing 7,556 square feet, west facing 7,773 square feet. Price per SFT 13,500 rupees. That is base cost, negotiable price. Price will be changing anytime. because it depends market conditions. So before your coming site visit, please contact us on display number to know more details to schedule your site visit. We will share the details about project, brochure, price sheet, location, and all, so that you will get all details through WhatsApp. This is balcony from first floor, and also it is near to Shamshabad International Airport, close to international schools like DPS, GMR, Sri Sri Academy, MIT University, Aga Khan Academy, and Manchester Global School. There are many schools close by this project, and also it is very close to through PVNR Express Highway, Banjara Hills, Jubilee Hills, Gachibowli. So, if you are interested, please call us to schedule your site visit. If you are watching first time AVP Properties Hyderabad YouTube channel, please subscribe our channel, click bell button to get future videos notification, and share your friends and family members. Budget range starts from 5 crore 75 lakhs to 10 crore 25 lakhs. This is terrace wash area plus L-shaped terrace you have. On terrace, this is the view, and also you are watching construction progress also in the site. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, click bell icon to get notification. Thank you so much. Bye.